Habekre Mikla Pathai Kubor, Hakasi Bar Jakateo, Mintri Rangba Kajalau Konat Kisama, Ulong Baka Sorkar, MDA Kalarai, and Pynsangeh Noh Eka Project, Shillong Medical College. Ulong Baka Jingeh, but Kadag, Papalong, and Pynsangeh Noh Eka Project, Kadena Marba Brew, Washimti, Yakanekam, Uklamla, Bansadang Yakam, Mentala Kisnem.
There has been a challenge when it came to the Shillong Medical College because the person or the company that got the work or agreement was signed for one reason or the other did not start the work for the past many years, and now the government has decided to scrap that and move forward, and so therefore based on that we hope that we'll be able to move the proposal for the Shillong Medical College a bit faster. The construction work for the Pynbna Medical College is on track. It had slowed down in the middle because of utilities and road connectivity, but we are hopeful that the overall construction work will pick up in the long run.